Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to enable Precision Boost Override on MSI motherboards in 2025. If you want to squeeze extra performance from your AMD Ryzen processor safely and easily, turning on PBO is a great way to do it. First, restart your PC and enter the BIOS by pressing the delete or F2 key during boot. It depends on your MSI motor model. Once inside in the BIOS, navigate to Overclocking or Advanced CPU Settings section. Look for Precision Boost Overdrive or just PBO. It might be set by disabled by default. Change it to Enable or Advanced, depending on your option. Some MSI BIOS version offers preferences like Enable, Advanced, or Manual. For most users, simply enabling PBO is enough to get better performance with minimal tweaking. After enabling PBO, save your change and exit the BIOS. Your CPU will now automatically boost higher when thermal and power conditions are low. You can monitor temperatures and performance in Windows using tools like Ryzen Master or MSI's Dragon Center. Keep in mind, enabling PBO may increase power consumption and heat output, so make sure your cooling setup is up to end the task. Also, it's a good idea to stress test your system after enabling it to ensure stability. So, if you want an easy way to boost your Ryzen CPU's performance on an MSI motherboard in 2025, turning on Precision Boost Override is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.